when you look back, and if you were to choose one favorite episode, what comes to mind? Just, I know tough, di ba? Very difficult.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
those are
Let's
the
go
hardest
to the
questions.
episode that comes to mind first.
Ako, sige, mauna na ako, Mars.
Okay, go, Mars.
Yung episode na nakasama ko si Primo.
Tell us more.
Yes,
It was
yes.
so pure. Tapos yung
Hinatsingan niya yung flour, yung pancake flour.
The brownie flour, Mars, na sumabog pa sa mukha niya. But it was just so cute. It was so innocent. It was so raw. And it was just a special moment to share with my son, with my panganay on TV.
Ang ganda. Ikaw, Camille.
Ako siguro, Tito Boy, kapag kami na matchmake nila ako dun sa mga guest namin na fitness instructor. Tapos parang si ate yung parang, single ka ba? Wala kang joke. Kasi basta ganon, chef, basta may guest kami na expert, itatry nila akong ireto doon.
So, ang Mars pala became a marketing platform.
Yeah, something like that.
Matchmaker
Yes.
ako. Yes, yes.
Okay. Oo. Ikaw, Susie.
Ako naman, yung favorite episode ko, yung hindi umere.
Ano yun?
Why? Ito yung episode na meron kaming manghuhula on the show. Tapos nagpadala siya ng personal items sa lahat ng mga guests naming artista. Tapos lahat ng hinula niya, mali. so nandito kami sa... Tapos parang, paano to? As in, flop dito, flop dito, flop dito. Paano to? Ending, di na lang namin inari.
Walang maere.
Yes, wala na. So, yun yung favorite. Isa sa mga naalala kong episode.